Primary storage. Primary storage, also known as main memory or internal memory, often referred to simple as memory, is the only one directly accessible to the CPU. The CPU continuously reads instructions stored there and executes them as required. Traditionally, there are two more sublayers of the primary storage. Processor registers are located inside the processors, and processor cache is an intermediate stage between ultra-fast registers and much slower main memory. Motherboard. Definition. The motherboard is the computer's main circuit board. It is a thin plate that holds the CPU, memory, connectors for the hard drive and optical drives, expansion cards to control the video and audio, and connection to your computer ports, such as USB ports. The motherboard connects directly or indirectly to every part of the computer. Ports. Definition. This refers to any one of the ports that are on the back of a computer, where a device can be hooked up, like a keyboard, mouse, printer, digital camera, etc. Some common ports found on today's computers are USB, Ethernet, etc. Hardware port. An Internet port. This is a number that indicates what kind of protocol a server on the Internet is using. Secondary storage or secondary memory.
Secondary memory. Definition is the set of the bits and the storage media that for the secondary subsystem of computer is key, massive and permanent storage capacity to store more than information. The primary memory that is volatile, although secondary memory is lower.
Input device. Definition. An input device is hardware or peripheral device used to send data to a computer. An input device allows users to communicate and feed instructions and data to computers for processing, display, storage, and/or transmission. Output device. Definition. An output device is any piece of computer hardware equipment used to communicate. The result of that processing carried out by an information processing system which converts the electronically generated information into human-readable. Magnetic disk. Definition is a memory device such as a floppy disk, a hard disk, or a removable cartridge that is covered with a magnetic coating on which digital information is stored in the form of microscopic magnetic regions. Switch. Definition is a logical interconnection device, digital equipment operating in the data link layer of the OSI model.
Wow, what is it? Ah, good. The motherboard. The motherboard is the computer's main secret board. It's a thin plate that holds the CPU, memory, connectors for the hard drive and optical drivers, expansion card to control the video and audio, and connection to your computer ports, such as USB ports.
Oh, wow. Okay. What is good for?
The motherboard connects direct line or indirect line to every part of the computer.
Oh,
okay. Good, good.
Oh, what is this?
It's this RAM.
Okay, what is this good for?
It's random access memory. Main memory of the computer. Work programs and data reside on which reading operations can be made and it notarized.
Okay, thank you.
Very much.
Oh, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, brother.
What it is?
It is secondary storage.
What is good for?
It's memory external to the main body of computer, where programs and data can be stored for future use. When the computer is ready to use the programs, the data is read into primary storage. The working memory of the CPU is limited in size and can always hold the amount of data required. Data and programs is secondary program do not disappear in the power is turned off.
Okay. Thank you for the information.
Thank you.
Thank you.